This is ANN News Brief.
Traders in Burkina Faso took to the streets in hundreds on Monday in protest at the capital, Ouagadougou, to demand the reopening of all markets that have been closed since March to combat the spread of the coronavirus. Some 40 markets in the capital were closed 2 weeks after the outbreak of the disease. The traders say they want the markets to reopen so they can resume activities and provide for their needs. The coronavirus epidemic has infected at least 632 persons and caused 42 deaths in Burkina Faso. In mid-April, the authorities reopened a large market in Ouagadougou and then the one in Bobo-Dioulasso, the country's second largest city. Algeria has extended till mid-May the lockdown containment measures in place to stop the spread of COVID-19. Although some businesses have been authorized to reopen during the Ramadan period and in order to reduce the economic and social impacts of the health crisis, Prime Minister Abdulaziz Jarrad announced on Monday he has renewed restrictions on movement for an additional 15 days and to include other preventive measures, hygiene, social distancing and protection. Official figures show Algeria has confirmed 3,517 coronavirus cases and 432 deaths, highest number of COVID-19 deaths in Africa in a country of 44 million people. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Authorities in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo's local Beni area in North Kivu say a major measles vaccination campaign has been launched on Monday that will cover more than 25,000 children in 5 health zones. Chief Doctor of the Beni zone, Dr. Frank Fikiri, was quoted as saying on UN Radio Opaki that the campaign will be wrapped up this weekend. The vaccination exercise comes after an earlier targeted more than 42,000 children in the southwestern Congo Central Province, making a total of 67,000 children that are already safe from the disease. Apart from an Ebola epidemic killing 2,200 persons since August 2018, DR Congo is facing a measles epidemic that has already claimed the lives of more than 5,000 persons and the coronavirus. Meanwhile, the government says the end of the Ebola epidemic is being delayed as a result of another patient who had escaped from a treatment center. The country was on the verge of declaring an end to the epidemic in April when new cases emerged 3 days to the target date. The DRC has also recorded a total of 459 cases of COVID-19, including 28 deaths, most of them in Kinshasa. Some cases have been recorded in North Kivu and Beni. That is ANN News Brief at 4. Join us again at 5 for our full newscast. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.